Ticks fear this liquid like hell. It is discharged as their natural number one enemy. A repellent made from it will protect you from ticks 100%. Ticks will never bite you again. These harmful pests will avoid you by a mile. You will learn how to make the best and most effective tick repellent. You've probably already wondered how to protect yourself well from ticks. We have the answer for that. Ticks have some natural enemies. They are ants. Ants prey on ticks. They secrete formic acid, which in high concentrations is fatal to ticks. If ticks sense it, they immediately flee in another direction. If you see an anthill on your walk, you can put a tissue or other soft material on it. Ants will leave formic acid on it, but you don't have to desperately search for an anthill to protect yourself from ticks. All you need to do is buy formic acid alcohol at the drugstore. It's formic acid with purified water and ethanol added. All you have to do is dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Simply spray your clothes with it before walking, and you will be 100% protected from ticks. Dip a twig in it and spray the bathroom. The silverfish will disappear as if by magic wand after just one night. It's a home remedy for small bugs that appear out of nowhere in the bathroom. These insects don't have wings. You can most often find them in the bathroom, especially at night. They feed on scraps left in bathrooms. It's moist enough there for them to live and reproduce. Silverfish aren't harmful, they don't bite, and they don't carry any diseases. However, they're not welcome and disgust many people, but you don't have to buy expensive and toxic silverfish killers. Just make a homemade spray to get rid of these bugs from the bathroom once and for all. The corners and nooks sprayed with it will be an impassable barrier. Such a spray will repel them. They won't show up in the bathroom anymore. Pour vinegar into a pot and heat it. Most insects can't stand the smell of vinegar. They avoid it like the plague. Put a sprig of rosemary in the vinegar. The scent of rosemary repels insects. It also works on silverfish. Add a few drops of lavender oil to the mixture. Such a remedy won't kill the silverfish, but it will effectively repel them. It's completely safe. You can also use it in the kitchen. Its scent will dissipate. So use such a spray every few days. You'll quickly get rid of the silverfish.
Plumbers don't want you to know this recipe. I sprayed the toilet with it, and I no longer have sewage problems. Don't throw citrus peels in the trash. It turns out they are a priceless ingredient. Chop them into smaller pieces and put them in a blender. Blend into a fine paste. They have cleansing properties. Then strain it through a sieve. Press it with a spoon to extract the juice. This is what we need. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to it. Then add 3 tablespoons of liquid soap and a tablespoon of salt. The next ingredient is alcohol. Add 3 tablespoons of it. When all these ingredients are combined, they create a truly effective mixture. Prepare a spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into it. This prepared mixture is invaluable for sewer maintenance. It removes deposits and scale. This product can remove yellow stains from plastic toilet parts. It takes care of unclogging sewer pipes. It prevents the accumulation of deposits in their internal parts. It is also great for cleaning bathroom ceramics. The salt and soda in its composition disinfect. Citrus fruits whiten the surface. The bathroom is clean and fragrant. The sewer works efficiently, and you avoid exposure to toxic chemicals. I regularly use a clove of garlic in the toilet. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. Take a clove of garlic to the bathroom, peel it, and drop it into the toilet. It's best to do this overnight before going to sleep. You'll get rid of bacteria and various pathogens that were in the bowl, all without using chlorine or corrosive substances. In the morning, just flush the toilet, and you're done. It's best to perform this garlic home trick regularly, every few days. The positive effects will surprise you, and you won't have to worry about a bacteria-free toilet anymore. Another way to eliminate harmful bacteria and stains from the toilet is to mix garlic with vinegar. Fill a jug or a small pot with about 200 milliliters of water. Chop the garlic into small pieces and add it to the water. Garlic is known for killing viruses, bacteria, and fungi, and is a natural product available in every home. Add vinegar to the garlic-infused water and mix everything. Leave it for a while to let the mixture take effect. Vinegar is an eco-friendly ally in the fight against stains, limescale, mold, and bacteria. People who want to keep their bathroom clean without using strong chemicals appreciate its properties. Pour the garlic and vinegar mixture into the toilet and flush after some time. In this case, too, it's best to let the mixture stay in the toilet bowl overnight. It's a homemade and inexpensive way to have a clean toilet, free from bacteria, mold, and viruses. The toilet will be disinfected without using harmful chlorine products, and all this without spending a lot of money on their purchase. How do you maintain toilet cleanliness? How often do you clean it, and what products do you use? Let me know in the comments. Express trick for cleaning the drain. It will thoroughly clean the pipes in 5 seconds. Remove the plug from the drain. Pour in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. When the ingredients start foaming, press them with a towel. The foaming will fill the pipes. It will flush out the limescale and dirt from them. Foam should start coming out of the hole located under the faucet. It will be covered in sludge and rust. This is the fastest and most thorough way to clean the drain. Baking soda and vinegar have descaling and cleaning properties.
Recipe for homemade grout cleaner. After 15 minutes, they looked like new. It's incredibly effective and budget-friendly. The results are fantastic. In a bowl, pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, add a teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything to achieve a paste-like consistency. Dirt, mold, and dust accumulate on grout lines. Their rough surface makes cleaning them difficult and time-consuming. Instead of scrubbing the grout with a brush, it's better to use the paste trick. Apply a thick layer of the mixture on dirty grout lines. Use a toothbrush for this purpose. The paste must cover the entire surface thoroughly. Leave it on for 15 minutes. If the grout lines are very dirty, you can extend this time up to an hour. After this time, remove the paste, wipe the floor with a wet cloth, and leave the grout lines. When they dry, you'll see a colossal difference. They'll regain their original color, and you won't have to scrub them. They'll be clean and mold-free. In the recording, you can see how huge the difference is. On the left is the grout cleaned with the paste, and on the right is the dirty grout. I do this once every few months, and my bathroom looks like new.